Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the MIAOLAI K11, a desktop HiFi power amplifier designed specifically for driving passive bookshelf speakers. This isn't an all-in-one unit with tons of features. The K11 positions itself as a pure amplifier. What that means is the designers focused on eliminating auxiliary features and reducing unnecessary circuit interference. The goal here is lossless output, aiming to help you rediscover the original sound of your music, delivering a high-fidelity experience that feels like listening live. And when it comes to the sound itself, the K11 aims for pure sound. Descriptions highlight a delicate, clear, and pleasant listening experience. It's said to offer high resolution, a wide soundstage, and accurate positioning of instruments and vocals. The background is described as transparent, with distinct contours for everything in a mix. It's even claimed to handle complex classical symphonies effortlessly, faithfully reproducing the original recording. Under the hood, the core of this amplifier utilizes the MA12070 chip, combined with an NE5532 dual amplifier setup. This combination is what allows the K11 to deliver that 80 watts per channel output. The technical specifications are impressive for its class, boasting a total harmonic distortion plus noise as low as 0.003% and a signal-to-noise ratio reaching 110 dB. It incorporates multi-stage, high-frequency core technology designed for long-term operation without overheating and unaffected by power ripple interference. This results in ultra-low power consumption alongside high output efficiency. The internal design also features a dual-balanced circuit amplifier design. This is intended to effectively eliminate various external interferences and transmission losses that can degrade audio quality. The result is said to be high-fidelity audio signal transmission and a strong driving capability, making it easy to power a variety of desktop passive bookshelf speakers. Beyond the technical performance, the K11 also focuses on what they call simple beauty, not simple craftsmanship. The unit features an integrated aluminum chassis, which undergoes a process of cold rolling, forming, rough hewing, and fine processing. The surface is then treated with anodic oxidation, giving it a delicate touch. The front panel is kept simple with just a single knob, but it's complemented by a vintage-style VU level meter, adding a touch of classic aesthetic that reflects the designer's attention to detail and craftsmanship. Even the terminal posts are HiFi grade, made from pure copper and gold-plated to optimize surface performance and enhance the stability and accuracy of the audio signal transmission. This amplifier runs on a 15-volt DC power supply, with a maximum supply voltage of 19 volts DC. It's designed for surface mounting, making it easy to place on a desk or shelf. Overall, the MIAOLAI K11 seems to be a compelling option for anyone seeking a focused, high-performance pure power amplifier to get the best out of their passive bookshelf speakers, prioritizing clean power and sound quality over extra features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.